You really got to try if you want to see results.
Come here with a good attitude. Come here with an attention to detail. Come here with an attention to detail. Come here with the desire to put yourself in situations that you've never been before in your life.
Is that if you are lazy, you do not need to come to CDA and be a commercial diver.
Make sure you come here with an open mindset. Be ready to learn. Be mature. Don't come here as a kid, just not understanding what to do and how to act and ready to dive. Go into the water. Get here, do as much diving as you possibly can. Get as much time as you possibly can in the water. It'll look a lot better for you when you get out to the real world.
Don't do it unless you love it. Don't chase the money, chase the passion.
Definitely do your research first. You can't be lazy at all. You have to be able to put forth 110% effort. Make sure that you're on your game at all times.
This one's important. Make sure that you're goal-oriented, because if you are just here thinking that you're going to get rich quick, it ain't going to happen. You got to be goal-oriented, have your eyes on the prize the whole time. You can't be screwing off and going out and partying the whole time and expecting to learn and expecting to just be kind of pushed along through it. You really got to try if you want to see results.
You're going to learn the hard way, and yeah, you might get talked to, but listen to your instructors. They know what they're doing, and don't be lazy. Be on time, make sure your head is clear.